I'm Dr. Deuk. I'm here with one of my patients, and she had the Deuk laser disc repair done on one disc on your back, right?
Yes.
3 months ago.
Yes.
Little birdie in my ear told me that. So what was your life like before you had the Deuk laser disc repair for your back?
Well, in my own words, I probably wouldn't call it much of a life at all. I used to be extremely active, but with all the injuries I had, basically my life was reduced to a bed. I had trouble walking because I would stumble, and on days that I could walk, I literally would be in tears at night and just in pain.
From your back pain?
Yes, and legs.
And legs. And then, why did you, I know you're from Georgia, right? So
Yes.
you traveled from out of state to have the laser surgery done. Why did you choose the Deuk laser disc repair?
To be honest, it terrified me having rods and screws in my back, knowing the fact that I would have to go under the knife, having a large incision in my back, and knowing the fact that also it was a 50-50 chance of recovery. And financially, I could not even manage to pay that. I mean, not just for the surgery, but the 2 weeks that I would have to be in the hospital, plus the rehabilitation. Honestly, I would have to say I had to thank my family, because without them and without the help of you, I wouldn't have the life that I have right now, because I might tear up a little bit, but
Okay. Yeah. So you were offered fusion surgery by some other surgeon up in Georgia, is that what it was?
2.
2 surgeons. And you just didn't want to go through that pain and suffering and all that long recovery and just maybe the chance that maybe you'll get better. So you wanted something that was safer, faster recovery, and better odds of getting better. And you found us how? Online?
Actually, we were researching doctors, because the doctors I kept going to, when I was hearing not only the surgery, but the success rate and the complications that came along with it, it was actually my mother who discovered your institute.
It's from a lady.
And
That's Mom, the hero. All right. So somebody at Chan's Hospital talked about it?
In the waiting room,
Thank
whispered
God.
to me not, because she was there to be seen, but to schedule for a spot. She says, try this man first. I never heard of him, and he was fascinating.
Amazing. The Lord works in mysterious ways. So
I believe that.
you were in a waiting room at Chan's Hospital to see a back surgeon there, and the patient told you, go check out Dr. Deuk and the
Yes.
Deuk Spine. So you came down here, you had your surgery 3 months ago. Did the Deuk laser disc repair help your back?
tremendously, because like I was saying before, not only with the leg pain and the back pain, but I had numbness all the way down my legs to my feet. And the night after the surgery, I started crying, because I actually started getting a feeling in my feet, because it had been 6 years of going back and forth with doctors, And at that point, before I met y'all, I had basically lost all hope, because when you struggle and you try to explain to some doctors, and that was one thing I liked about you. You are very passionate. You listen to your patients. Whereas, and I'm not trying to badmouth other doctors, And some, they don't take it as seriously. And you actually showed not only humility, but you actually like stepped in my shoes. And you, all I want to say that is I'm glad that you showed compassion, because most in this world don't do that.
8 years. 8 years. Probably.
So, it pains me to hear your story, because every doctor should. And the truth is, a lot of doctors don't know that they can fix patients' back pain. They don't believe it. And they only think, oh, we need to fix pinched nerves and that's it. And if you have a small herniation and you're suffering with pain, they just don't really believe or understand how that could be fixed. But I learned many years ago you could fix it. So when I come across a patient like you, and there's lots of people like you who are suffering needlessly because their doctors don't know how to fix their pain. And that's really the main message to everyone, is you don't have to give up hope. You don't have to give up your life. You don't have to, live in pain every day. It can be fixed. You just have to find the right person to fix it for you. And you did that.
Yeah.
And I'm very happy for you, both of you.
8 years. Just back and
Yeah.
forth.
Well, thank you for sharing your story. It means a lot.
Thank you so
And
much.
I'm glad you're
And
doing
for your
well.
team, y'all
You're
got
welcome.
something good going here, I'll put it that way.
You're welcome. You're welcome. We'll be here as long as we can be to help people like you.
Thank you.
Okay? All right. All right, thanks.